Vermiwash, also known as worm tea, is a liquid fertilizer rich in nutrients and beneficial microorganisms obtained by collecting the leachate from a vermicomposting system. This natural plant booster promotes healthy plant growth, improves soil fertility, and enhances resistance to pests and diseases. Making your own vermiwash at home is a simple and sustainable way to nurture your garden organically. Vermicomposting bin with healthy worms and mature compost. Container with a tap, jute bag or mesh screen and water is needed to make vermiwash. Drill a small hole near the bottom of your container and attach a tap. Place the container on a raised platform to allow for easy drainage. Take around 5 to 10 kilograms of mature vermicompost from your bin and place it in the jute bag. Secure the opening tightly. Gently dip the jute bag containing the compost into the container filled with water. Submerge and lift the bag several times to allow the water to pass through the compost. Open the tap at the bottom of the container to collect the filtered liquid. This is your vermiwash. Use rainwater or filtered water for the best results. You can dilute the vermiwash with water in a ratio of 1:10 for foliar application and 1:20 for soil drenching. Store the vermiwash in a cool, dark place for up to a week. Avoid using vermiwash that has a foul odor, as it indicates an unhealthy vermicomposting system. Making your own vermiwash is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to boost your plant's health and contribute to sustainable gardening practices. With minimal effort, you can harness the power of nature to create a powerful organic fertilizer that nourishes your plants and promotes a thriving garden. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.